Benjamin Netanyahu, a war criminal, someone who is about to have ICC arrest warrants issued against him, is speaking at the United Nations. The United Nations should be ashamed of itself. Not only have they let the global community down, they've not only let human rights down, they've let their own staff down. Benjamin Netanyahu and his government and the Israeli occupation have deliberately targeted hundreds of United Nations employees. They've been massacring them in Gaza, the West Bank, and now Lebanon.
The people of Israel live now, tomorrow, forever. Thank you.
You've been listening to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu speaking in front of the United Nations General Assembly. Not the entirety of the General Assembly, as many of those delegates walked out at the beginning of this very fiery speech from the Israeli Prime Minister. At one point, he referred to the United Nations as an anti-Semitic swamp, and he said the real war criminals are in Iran, Gaza, and Lebanon. So some very fiery words.
This was a defiant speech. He was speaking to a largely empty chamber. It was empty and empty-ish before he got there. And then, as you noted, there were a couple of walkouts, including, according to our teams inside, from Malaysia, Indonesia, and Iran.